So, having recently done the Moonraker Minor Mark 1 from about 1987, we thought we'd do the Moonraker Minor late version, which is from about 2000. In fact, I think you can still just about buy them new. I think our wholesaler still got them. They're $49.99. It's the only 40-channel set on the UK market. It's CE approved, you'll notice, rather than 2781. So it's under the PR27 94, I would think, legislation. Right, so we'll open this up and we'll see what makes it tick. So here we are with the innards. If I can find my usual tool, which I now have done. Clearly the VCO is the coil there. What strikes us is that where there would be the normal synthesizer IC, there's a subboard as if these have been batch modified from something else, or perhaps they ran out of the chips they were supposed to be using and put this subboard in. I don't know. But the other thing which makes me think it has this once been something else is we've got a modulation transformer on an FM only set and a subboard here. I don't know. Has it been something else once? I don't know. So to set the frequency, well, the crystal trimmer for the 10.24 master oscillator is just there. So we'll go into transmit. This is a radio we bought new. Helps if I switch the power supply on as well. And it boots up on channel 9. So I'll just select channel 20. So we're looking at 27.79125. And it's one of those that doesn't like the extension speaker for the test equipment either. So 27.79124, it's spot on. But if we needed to adjust the frequencies, just trim that. It's trimmer capacitor just there. Now it's doing get 3 watts straight out of the box. So if we move on to the transmitter, we've actually, I'll just get the 4 coils in view, which there are. So the first transmit one will be L5, so we'll just peak that. The second transmit one is L6. The next transmit one we can't see the label of, and it's usually other tool, it's got the bigger hole in it. I don't know whether I've ever said this, but you know, you never use screwdrivers for these. These trimming tools are flat. They not wedge shaped. Going into transmit. Changing scales on the test instruments because it's well over 3 watts now. And we've got that peaked. It's doing about 3.5, 3.7 watts. Now then, let's have a look at the deviation. So we're using the oscillator we hold up to the microphone. Going into transmit. And that looks like a healthy 2 on the deviation meter with a nice sine wave on the oscilloscope screen. I'll just do the whistle test to make sure it doesn't exceed 2.5. Voila! Can't whistle this evening. That's fine. And the deviation control, if we needed to have adjusted it, is RV2 which is the one there. This radio also has mic gain, and it's RV4. That is mic gain. So deviation, mic gain. Now, because this radio doesn't have any power meter, there's no further adjustments to the transmitter. So I'll see you on the receive side of the video of the Moonraker Minor Mark II.